Shout out to Hair Paint Wax. It definitely comes off on your fingers. It's okay, just, I think this really helps with the hand and hair syndrome. Your hair is like, I caught you red-handed. Ah. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? Okay, here's the thing. This is an impromptu hair tutorial. I am in the middle of editing the texture ID tutorial, which is how I got this look. This is like day four or five now. I definitely picked it out when I first untwisted it to give it more of a second day look, because the second day look is what I really want. First day look, I'm like, eh. I don't feel the need to wash this. It feels good. Just needs a refresher, you know? And I kind of want to rock, ow! I kind of want to rock a fro, but you know, I can't really do that. It's with this hair, it's just too dry and stiff for me. I just want to stretch it out, and I want to like try to refresh the color on the tips. And I'm going to be using the banding method. So let's see. Here's what I'm gonna use, and let's hope this isn't a huge fail. I'm going to take my spray bottle full of aloe vera juice that still has some red on it, and I'm going to take just a dab per section, just like a dab, I think, of the Elastic QP olive oil and mango butter leave-in conditioner. It's just super moisturizing. It always works, so you know. And once I apply that to all my sections, I'm going to band them down with these elastic bands. I hope I have enough. Oh, and this is the part where I jump into the voiceover and, you know, just do my thing, and hopefully you just understand me, okay? Okay, so once my hair is sectioned off, I'm going to make a medium-sized section of hair and start spraying that down with aloe vera juice. Not too much, of course, because I want my hair to dry by the time I wake up in the morning. Then I take a dab of my leave-in conditioner, use the praying hands method to evenly distribute that product throughout my section of hair, and begin gently finger detangling. Once I'm able to gently run my fingers through that section of hair, then I can start banding that section down. So I secure the base of my section, the part closest to my scalp, very tightly, and then I move down the section gradually, making a band. One thing I want to mention is that I like to gently tug at the ends of my sections, because since I'm a type 4 natural, my hair loves to shrink as much as humanly possible. So if your hair is like mine, you benefit from gently pulling down at those kinks and coils to prevent the tangles from happening. Oh, I forgot to mention, I am leaving a good inch of hair free at the end of each section. There's a reason for that, I promise. Just keep watching. Ooh, that's fun. Okay, so once all my sections are all banded and ready to go, I'm going to take my hair paint wax and I'm going to apply it to the ends of all my sections. Once the color has been evenly distributed, I'm going to 2-strand twist the free hair all the way down to the ends, give the ends a twirl. I'm gonna add a little more color around the twist just to make sure I'm getting a nice even coat of color. And then I'm going to make a hanging bantu knot. I really can't explain how to make a hanging bantu knot, so I'm just gonna show you how to do it over and over again. I'm so sorry, I just can't. I'm no good at describing those types of things. So hopefully I can give you a more in-depth video on how to bantu knot, how to 2-strand twist, all those things at some other point in time. After about an hour and a half, I am all done and I can throw on my slap and I can go to bed. Okay, it is morning time. I have a class to teach in about an hour, so let's not mess around. Let's take these down. Well, not all of them were dry, I'll tell you that much. I will say this, it's been 3 or 4 minutes and I'm well on my way to the halfway point of finishing my hair. When normally in this 3-minute period, I'd still be stuck on the same section, just carefully taking down the braid. And I wish someone told me about this when I first went natural, because this doesn't take a whole lot of work and I still get the look I want. I don't know, I just wish I came up with it sooner, or I wish I thought of it sooner. I'm working on my Roar Lion King. That's the end of my video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I literally threw it together. I did not know whether or not it would turn out well, because every time I try something new, it always like fails spectacularly. But this time it turned out pretty darn good and I'm very happy about it. I'm very happy. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel to keep all these videos coming. Thank you so much for your support and I'll see you next time. Bye.